So hello guys, welcome to my video for today. So andito naman ako ulit sa may Seiko Watch Store dito sa may Bata, sa may Villaggio Mall. Pasok ko lang kayo sa may gate to this one, boss. Sir, gate to this one, right? Okay. Dito lang sa may gate to, Villaggio Mall. So ayan yan yung mga ano nila May yun yung mga Seiko nila. So ayan So ayan. So naisipan ko lang ulit siyang gawa ng video. So medyo nagaganda ko sa mga dito. Titingnan ko lang yung presyo niya. Sir, excuse me sir. Sir, for this kind of Seiko sir, maybe how much is one?
Seiko chronograph is some 1,300, 1 to 1,500, 2,000. I have G-Shock.
Sir?
600, 700, yes.
600 to 500, 700 like this.
I have Casio also. 300, 200 like that.
200, 300.
I have new Seiko automatic.
This one. Seiko nyo automatic.
That one, yeah, I know how much this one, 1,200 to 2,000.
100 to 2,000. Ano? 1,000.
1 to 2,000.
1,200. Okay. Sir, no problem. I check maybe the price from 2,000.
2,000 GMT like this.
This one.
This one 2,000.
This one kind of 2,000 sir.
And GMT, 2,350.
To 350.
Automatic and GMT, yeah. GMT time, double time.
Very good this one sir.
Yeah, very nice.
So couple?
Mahalando.
Yan pala.
I have same but not less.
Same company? Yan daw yung 2,000 nila. Ito yung ganyan dyan. So yan yung ano nila. Picture na sa natin. So ayan makita mo naman siya. May customer sila kasi kaya yan pinapakita lang mo ni video.
Seiko 5 700 to 1,000.
Seiko 5 siya? This one?
600, 800, 900 like.
Ito mayroon naman to 600 to 800. Yan yung mga Seiko 5 nila. Natin yung mga ganyan 600 to 1,500 boss this one. 650, 800 like this boss.
Yeah, to 1,000.
To 1,000. Very nice sir Also,
I have also Seiko outside.
Seiko outside.
And this way, I have.
Okay sir, wait check. So dito daw siya sa labas. So ayan ayan din Ayan din siya. Ayan na. Yan. So ayan naman yung Seiko nila. Pinakita ko lang doon. So ito pa siya. Sir, no problem sir. If I take someone sample this one. G-Shock. So may G-Shock sila. G-Shock sa branch of Seiko, right sir?
Not Casio G-Shock.
Casio.
From Casio, yes.
Different this one sir.
I have G-Shock battery and there's some solar. This is the solar.
Very good this one sir.
That is solar new one.
This one sir.
G-Shock, yes.
Kind of G-Shock sir. Maybe how much this one sir?
This one about 750 like that.
Maybe 750 SR like this. Also this and this one?
$500 after discount. The original price 630.
500.
Discount.
This one
The original price 630.
630 boss. Ito. Maybe how much this one?
630. I'll give you special price. 500 for the house.
500. 500 for SR only.
Yeah,
Beautiful.
no problem. 500 plus.
500.
Yeah.
Like this one So nakita mo yan kung paano nila. Sir, no problem sir. Calling card sir?
My card?
Yes sir, calling card. So yan kunin ko lang yung calling card para
My discount card anytime.
Aywa. If you send you sir, you give discount sir Aywa.
I give you a discount. I
Calling
have
card.
Swiss watch.
Swiss watch?
Like Rolex, 300 for.
What's the Rolex sir, this one?
Swiss watch. Have a Western.
This one?
Western. All inside box that one.
Also this one.
Yeah, I have for all my sheep. Automatic and classic design, good design. How much? 4,150 reals.
4,450 reals.
4,150.
Very...
Two color, automatic. I have green color also. Gold. This is the Swiss watch.
Ayun sir sir, thank you sir for that So this
I have also for man Western.
Mangos?
Yeah, this one all for man.
All for
Same-
yourself?
Same brand, yes.
Same brand sir, Seiko.
No, not Seiko, Western watch.
Western watch. Swiss watch.
Yes.
Swiss watch, this one I love this one, sir. Huh? Also, this one very beautiful.
Some
The
beautiful
one.
and very good and very high quality. Glass sapphire, automatic, high brand, old brand.
Very good na siya. Also, this one. Okay. Ayan guys ha. Kung gusto nyo tumawag, ito, kontakin nyo lang to ha, si sir. Just contact. Sandali, pakita ko. Nang maigi. Ayan. Yan yung calling card niya. Dito lang yan sa may Seiko Watch. So, hanggang dyan aking video for today guys. Maraming salamat guys. Hanggang sa aking mga susunod na video. Sir, thank you sir.
Okay, so,